As the winter is looming, houses get colder. We're here to help you find a great solution for cold room. In this video, we are going to look at 5 best space heaters in 2025. Links to the products you can find in the video description. Let's get started. Number 1 on this list is Dreo Whole Room Heater 714. The Dreo Whole Room Heater 714 is a standout choice for anyone looking to reliably warm up a room without turning up the central heat. With up to 1,500 watts of power, it's built to handle spaces of roughly 161 to 269 square feet, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices. It delivers fast-acting warmth thanks to Dreo's Hyperamix PTC heating element and boasts 3D whole room heating that combines a wide horizontal and vertical oscillation pattern up to 90 degrees horizontally and 60 degrees vertically to spread warm air evenly and eliminate cold spots. The noise level is impressively low, measuring around 34 decibels on low settings, so it won't interfere with bedtime or quiet work. Safety is a major focus. You'll find tip-over protection, overheat shutoff, and an 8-layer shield system built into the design. Add in a remote control, ECO mode for energy savings, and a compact footprint, and you're looking at a heater that balances performance, practicality, and safety. For 2025, the Dreo 714 offers a smart mix of coverage, quiet operation, and protective features that make it an excellent pick when you want dependable warmth without fuss. Number 2 on this list is Vornado MVH. The Vornado MVH Whole Room Heater brings Vornado's signature Vortex air circulation design to help warm up your space more evenly than a standard heater. It operates with 3 power settings: 750 watts, low, 1,125 watts, medium, and 1,500 watts, high, so you can scale your comfort and energy use depending on the room size and temperature. One of its strong points is safety. The MVH features tip-over protection and a 2-stage auto shutoff in case of overheating, plus a cool touch exterior that helps reduce burn risk. The tight spiral grille design and plastic front help keep external surfaces cooler than with many metal grills. Vornado calls the airflow whole room vortex heat circulation, meaning warm air doesn't just blast forward, it's guided to spread across the room, helping reduce cold spots. Vornado. The design is compact, roughly 11 inches tall by 10 inches wide by 9 inches deep, and lightweight, just under 4 pounds, making it easy to move or tuck into a corner. Controls are simple: a switch to choose the heat level and a dial thermostat to fine-tune room temperature. Vornado. Just note, it doesn't oscillate, so placement matters for good coverage. In short, the Vornado MVH offers reliable, safe, and relatively quiet heating in a compact package. It's a solid pick for bedrooms, offices, or smaller living spaces where you want even warmth. Number 3 on this list is DeLonghi Dragon Digital. The DeLonghi Dragon Digital Full Room Radiant Heater is an excellent choice for anyone looking for quiet, consistent warmth throughout the entire room. Delivering up to 1,500 watts of power, this oil-filled radiator uses thermal chimney technology to maximize heat flow and distribute warmth evenly without creating dry air or hot spots. It's ideal for medium to large rooms, offering a steady, natural heat that continues radiating even after it's turned off. The digital control panel features an LED display, 3 heat settings, a 24-hour programmable timer, and an eco mode that automatically adjusts power to maintain comfort while saving energy. With built-in safety features like thermal shutoff, tip-over protection, and a child lock, you can enjoy peace of mind while it runs. Quiet, efficient, and durable, the DeLonghi Dragon Digital is perfect for anyone who wants reliable, full-room comfort with minimal maintenance. Number 4 on this list is Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Tabletop Heater. The Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Tabletop Heater is a compact yet high-performing space heater designed to bring powerful warmth to smaller rooms, home offices, or bedrooms. With a 1,500-watt ceramic heating element, it quickly raises the temperature while maintaining energy efficiency. Its wide 120-degree oscillation ensures that warm air circulates evenly across the room, eliminating cold spots and creating a comfortable environment. The heater offers multiple settings including 3 heat levels, a 12-hour timer, and Auto Eco mode, which automatically regulates power to maintain your preferred temperature without wasting energy. It also includes a remote control for convenience and operates quietly, ideal for nighttime or focused work sessions. Safety is a top priority with built-in tip-over protection, overheat shutoff, a cool touch exterior, and a child lock feature. With its sleek design, compact size, and reliable heating performance, the Lasko Ellipse ceramic tabletop heater is a smart choice for anyone who wants warmth, style, and safety in one modern package. Number 5 on this list is Dreo Space Heater Large Room. The Dreo Space Heater Large Room is designed to deliver fast, efficient warmth across spacious living areas with ease. Featuring a powerful 1,500-watt PTC ceramic heating element, it generates heat quickly and maintains consistent comfort, even in larger rooms or open layouts. With its wide 70-degree oscillation feature, the heater spreads warm air evenly throughout the space, helping eliminate cold spots and keep everyone comfortable. It includes a digital thermostat with precise temperature control, remote access for convenient adjustments, and a built-in ECO mode that automatically adjusts power output to save energy while maintaining your chosen temperature. Despite its high performance, the unit runs quietly, around 32 to 34 decibels under typical use, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices where noise matters. Safety is built into the core with tip-over protection, overheat shutoff, flame-retardant materials, and a child lock setting for peace of mind in homes with kids or pets. With its sleek tower design, intuitive controls, and strong large room capabilities, the Dreo Large Room Heater is a compelling choice for 2025 if you're looking to warm a bigger space without fuss. And that's it for this video about 5 best space heaters in 2025. And you like the video, make sure to press the like button and leave a feedback in the comments section. See you next time.